Hi guys. As we get to the end of the first day or two for some year groups, and we haven't yet welcomed back other year groups, but by the end of next week, by this time next week, we'll all be back, and it will be the first time that I will be waiting for some house points. So I thought I'd go over again exactly how the house points are to be recorded. And I've now made the documents that we need, which helps. Okay, so what you're going to do on a Thursday, you're going to look at your class now, just randomly pretending that I am teaching 3N. And obviously there are no dojos there yet, but I'm imagining that by next Thursday, I'm going to look and I'm going to record my 15 students in years 1 to 5 and my 10 students in KG in year 6 who have the most dojo points from that week. So in 3N this week, I'm saying that my top 15 are Al-Qasim, Amira, Amna, Rehab, Sabrina, Caboose, Mohammed J, Laura, Salim, Faye, Jude, Khadija, Mariam, Omar, and Rauda. Okay, so I come out of Class Dojo and I go into SharePoint and I go into primary, pastoral, house system. Okay, and I go into house points complete on a Thursday. Could I be making it any easier? I think not. Right, so 3N. Okay, so next week will be week 1.2, so it should go in there. So I'm saying Al-Qasim has a point. Where's Al-Qasim? He's there. Amira has one. Amna has one. Rehab is getting one. Here's Rehab down here. Sabrina is getting one. Sabrina is here. Caboose is getting one. Mohammed J is getting one. Where's Mohammed J? Here he is. Yeah. Laura's getting one. Salim's getting one. Faye's getting one. Jude is getting one. Where's Jude gone? Yep. Khadija's getting one. Mariam's getting one. Omar's getting one. And Rhoda's getting one. Okay, so I've recorded those and now I look and I see I have got 1, 2, 3, 4 oryxes are getting a point, so I'm going to write down 4 oryxes. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dolphins. 5 dolphins are getting a point. I've got 1, 2, 3 hawks are getting a point. And I've got 1, 2 scorpions, is that right? 4 add 5 is 9. No, I've done that wrong. I've done that wrong because it doesn't add up to 15. Oh, oryxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's where I've gone wrong. So I've got 5 oryxes, 5 dolphins, 3 hawks and 2 scorpions who are getting points this week. So I shut this down so that will record. And then sorry, I'm never very good with SharePoint. I need to go back into SharePoint. And restore all, house system. Then I go into weekly HP totals completed on a Thursday for your class again. So I'm going to find my 3N documents, and I'm saying that in week 1.2, how many oryxes did I have? I had 5 oryxes, I had 3 hawks, I had 2 scorpions, and I had 5 dolphins. And again, just shut that down so that I can get the information there. And what I'll do is I'll record all these for every class and add them together for the totals. If we go back into this one, when you're recording all your house points week after week for each child, you need to keep an eye, and when you get to when one child has got to 10 points or is getting close to 10 points, let me know and I'll provide them with a house point certificate. When they're getting to 16 points, I'll give them a bronze. When they get to 22, they'll get a silver, and so on. So this one you're recording for each child and letting me know when they're getting close to a certificate, and the other one I'm taking and adding together to work out who is the winning house for each week. Okay. Totally new system for KG, slightly different for 1 and 2, slightly different for 3 to 6. I really hope that I've managed to make it as easy as possible. Okay, best of luck. Have a look at this sometime during the week. Next Thursday, I'll be asking for house points. So Thursday the 9th of September is D-Day, and I'll be asking for some house points. Okay, thanks everybody. Have a great weekend.